Question here on alcohols. It says methylated spirits contain ethanol and is available cheaply. And it says they contain pyridine, which has a very unpleasant smell, and methyl violet, which makes the mixture purple. First part says suggest why the pyridine and the methyl violet are added to ethanol to make methylated spirit. Well, they're probably added because you don't want people to drink them, so it stops people from drinking them. Having liquid which doesn't smell nice and has a very bright color will stop people from drinking it. So you can say here as an answer to stop people from drinking it. Now, the next part says suggest one use of methylated spirit. This is just the uses of alcohols that you need to know. Some of the ones you can mention are as a fuel, as a solvent, or as an antiseptic. Any of those three will give you a mark. So let's just say used as a fuel. And the final part says describe how ethanol is produced from sugar solution, glucose basically, and give the name of this process. This process is called fermentation and is basically caused by the anaerobic respiration of yeast on sugar or glucose. When the yeast respires anaerobically, it releases carbon dioxide and ethanol. In order to make this reaction the most effective, you need a warm temperature, so something around maybe 30 degrees to maximize the growth of the yeast. That means the ethanol will be produced faster. So the name of the process is fermentation. To describe how it's produced, you can just say the conditions. So we can say add yeast to the sugar solution. In anaerobic conditions, that's basically conditions without oxygen, because that makes the yeast produce carbon dioxide and ethanol. Otherwise, if there was oxygen, it will produce other products, which you don't want. And finally, we can talk about the temperature. At a warm temperature of 30 degrees, you can get away with just saying warm for this question, and they give a very big range for you to say. You can say anything from around 10 to 40 here, actually. So that's how you get all the marks there.